What it do? Out here in the lab, y'all already know. Show y'all what I got going on out here. All right. Got my boy Zach out here with me. They can't see you, Zach. Get my boy Zach, y'all. What's going down? That boy out there thugging with me. You know what I'm saying? Homestead OG out here. We got batteries. We got wood to mount the amps. We got splitters. We got 2 passes of welding lead rant. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. And I'm cheating. I'm gonna leave this carpet down, I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna lay some fresh carpet over it so that way I ain't gotta worry about insulation on the floor. Y'all can call me crazy, call me cheating, but like I'm telling y'all, this just a work truck. So I'm gonna dress it up, but not too much. So we got the high wire rant. We got the radio, we got the EQs in. That look pretty good up there, Zach.
Oh, yeah.
Got the EQs in. Got both of the highs amp. I'm gonna stuff them highs amp in the old console right here. We got all the wires, RCA jacks. I got my volume knobs hooked up already. Like, man, we've been out here working. I don't even know what time it is. What time it is, Zach?
Shit, 10:34.
Oh, shit, it's still early. I got at least till 12 o'clock before I start feeling drained, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is where we at. We just doing some little late night messing around, man. You know, this be, let me flip the camera around. This be one of the times I got time, you know, to myself. The phone not ringing. Ain't too many people coming by. Well, I ain't tripping off people coming by to chill. But when people coming by want me to look at cars and check this out and see if you can see what this is, that pulled me away from what I be trying to do. So that's why most of the time when y'all see me playing with my stuff, it be at nighttime. You know what I'm saying? So we getting it in. I ain't gonna lie, in a few minutes we finna hear some highs. I got 8 of them in here so far. I got the 4 in the ceiling and I got the 4 in the door. So we gonna hear some, at least some highs tonight, a few of them. Y'all know how it go. Get back at y'all in a minute. What's up with it, YouTube family? As always, I ain't gonna even say bitter with the sweet, but you know, sometimes you gotta go through some little stuff, base head problems and all this here, so we gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. I know y'all probably, some of y'all probably follow my boy BJ, Big Jack of all trades. If y'all ain't checked him out, y'all check my boy out. He be doing that custom interior, man. He live with it. He live with it. Very educational. Y'all check him out, Big Jack of all trades. But I know some of y'all probably saw he came over here yesterday. Now let me see. That's his building over there with the white sign up there. And he say I had his but he say I had his walls and stuff rattling down there. All right, so I guess we'll start at the front. Let me see. Got my boy Eddie out here with me. What's going down? What you is on Instagram? Country Boy. Country Boy 100 on Instagram, man. He be doing this little mechanic thing too. Okay, I got the dual alternator set up. We on. Alright. Got my 2 runs of welding lead. I forgot to put me some heat shrink on this, but this just a ground going down there to the frame. All right. I'm still using this old Kenwood radio. It's Bluetooth, man. I probably put me a little Pioneer in here. I kind of like the Pioneers, but this I said Kenworth. I'm thinking about the truck gang. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I love Kenworth 18 wheelers, man. It ain't nothing like them. But this Kenwood radio, it do me pretty good. I'm waiting on my EQs. I had two EQs in here, but one of them didn't work, and one of them was one of my homeboys, so I just had it in here for really just to test it, or I was just gonna replace his. But what ended up happening, one of those EQs didn't work, so I just ordered me two fresh ones, so I got those on the way. Got my two volume knobs, one for the highs, one for the subs. Okay, now this console was built for a car, but my little brother had it, and I kind of like the way it sit perfectly between these seats. So I'm thinking about refacing these, because I got 8 more 6.5s. I'm thinking of putting 2 up there in the front console, and I might put the other 6 back here. I might reface this and add something to it and shape it up and make that work back here. I kind of like the way that look with the cup holders and everything. But what I did, y'all, I kind of cheated a little bit, because I'm not gonna put too much into this truck, because at the end of the day, y'all, this truck is still gonna be my everyday, going to AutoZone, picking up little stuff. I just won't have no room to pick up nothing big, but my basic everyday little parts, water pumps, alternators, spark plugs, all change stuff, little stuff like that. This still gonna be my daily driver, so it's no use of me getting too deep in the detail in the interior in here, and I had to catch myself and think about that. So what I did, I'm gonna leave, hold on, let me switch it around. I'm gonna leave this regular carpet down here. I'm gonna clean it real good. I ran all my wires to the back over the carpet, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the seats and stuff out, and I'm gonna lay me some carpet over this, and that way this carpet down here kind of use as some extra what I want to say, like keep the floor sound deadener or something. I mean, it'll be for something. It'll be thicker down there, so that's cool. So yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna put too much into this truck like I thought I was. I still might put me some rims and stuff on here, make it look good, but this still gonna be my everyday driver, y'all. So we ain't gonna just do too much to the seats and all that, get too much in the detail. But let me see. Oh, it's stuck. Yeah, it's on that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I got my batteries. Got my amps. Same thing on the other side. Two Tarrant base AKs. Y'all don't laugh at my wiring. It might not be the neatest wiring, but I guarantee you it's the safest. I've been messing with car audio since I was 18, 19. Now, I started off actually younger than that, but I always say 18, 19, because that's when I got out of school and actually started kind of like making money, like working on cars and stuff. So it started off with me messing with music. And I ain't gonna lie, I almost burnt up a lot of my own cars experimenting, but that's how I learned what not to do and what to do by the time I started messing with other people's cars. So here we are today, 44 years old, still messing with cars, and thanks to the high creator, with my knowledge, I have 0 burns under my belt. From the age of 17, 18, 19, all the way up to the age of 44. I have 0 burns under my belt. So a person can say what they want to say about my wiring, but they can't knock it. It's just like my speaker wires. I didn't go spend no bunch of money. I had all that good wire. Look, that's just for the negative side. I got like 5 strands of that going into one. That's just for one side. 5 strands over there. Same thing for the other one. So I ain't never got to worry about that heating up. It'll last. You say what you want to say, but that's not going nowhere. Trust me. But yeah, y'all. It sound pretty good. Got a hell of a bass line. I'm liking it so far. The only problem I'm having is after I did hold up. The only problem I'm having right now is after I did the DOD delete. Let me see if I can set y'all right here for a second. It might stay there. Man, y'all, after I did the DOD delete, the misfire is gone. I got all my power back, but the truck is idling real low to the point where I got this vibration. My AC keep kicking on and off unless I hold my foot on the gas pedal. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and change my whole intake and throttle body and just see if that get it back up to idle. Cause when I put my foot on the gas, my voltage is almost at 15. But when I get off the gas, it's dropping down to like 13.9, 13.8. So by the time I turn on the music and really kind of get into it, if I'm not driving or holding the gas, my voltage automatically dropping down to like 12. So it's always a voltage problem, man. I hate that. But what I think I'm gonna do once I get that idle right, I'm gonna add me one of those the power caps. I've been reading up on those, and I'm gonna add me a power cap to it, and that ought to help it out a lot. But I know y'all want to hear it, so y'all give me a minute. I had somebody just pulled up. Let me holler at them right quick, and we gonna come back, and I'm gonna let y'all hear a little something. And this is just straight radio, no EQs, low idle. So let y'all check it out. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little inside sound right quick. I can't play the words, so I'll just play a little bass line. See if the camera can catch some of this vibration in here. Boy, them fans on them amps back there loud. Them was pumping. Let me see. Nice. My little brother stopped shaking his head. I ain't gonna lie, y'all know the camera don't really do no justice, but yeah. Let me see how the outside sound. Oh yeah, let's see that there. Let's see. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Watch my voltage, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Man, I ain't gonna lie, dog. I ain't gonna lie. For me not to have no EQs and all that there, and we still got some more to go. Yeah. I don't know how it's gonna look on this camera. I gotta go back and watch it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what Justice is doing, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get y'all. I want y'all to, I don't know. How can I do it the way y'all can actually see what's going on? Like, you know, the camera don't do no justice. This mug got some pressure. Oh, and I gotta look on there. I gotta go back in the comments and matter of fact, he had told me call it sound wave. And I was already thinking Shockwave. Cause that boy Shockwave off of Transformers 4, he was tearing up. Now, I don't know which one it was. I know it was the Dark of the Moon. And that boy Shockwave was tearing some stuff up. He was like Debo around there. So I was thinking Shockwave. Now I gotta see how it's gonna sound, but I ain't gonna lie. It got some pressure in there. It's in there. And I ain't even done. I ain't got all the hives in. I still gotta get a couple more. Like I say, I wanna put the that cap on the in between the amps and the batteries. I got some more stuff to do. You gotta fix it. But yeah. Ooh, that sun coming out, man. It rained yesterday, man. Feel like a sauna out here, y'all. But let's see. See what different kind of bass lines we can catch. Let me go to my try this here. I think this little high bass. Let me see. That's a little higher bass. Okay. My boy Jay say he made it musical. You know what I'm saying? And so far, you know, the little bass lines I done went through a little earlier, it catch some nice notes. It catch some nice notes. Let me see. wasn't expecting that. Ooh. Oh, the box sliding? Man, I told Jay that, dog. I told him that. Somebody told me to make sure I brace that box. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. And that's with no EQs. And like I say, the truck, if I don't know if you can see, but like the truck vibrating right now because it's idle down low. But if I barely put my foot on the gas, it level out, my voltage jump up. You'll even hear the fans on those amps back there get higher if I barely put my foot on the gas. So, I mean, yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, and for anybody that want to ask what song that was, I think that was that Seven Rings, Ariana Grande. I think I said her name right. But, man, I ain't going to play with it too much, y'all, because y'all know me. I keep on going and going. But I got a few more things to do. To it, y'all, just to get it right. I just wanted to let y'all just hear a little something where I'm going with it. And like I say, just from right now, what we seeing, I think we're going to be all right. Now, I got to sit down, y'all. I got to order some parts. It's hot out there, man. It's like a oven out there. Tell you, like an oven out there, man. It rained, the ground wet, and the sun coming out. I'm telling you, man, it's like you sitting literally in a sauna. So me and Eddie finna kick back, chill. We finna finish our cup of coffee. I'm finna rewatch this video, make sure we straight. If it don't sound good, I ain't gonna post it. So if it's posted, all right, y'all.